Hello and welcome to the first episode of the Save Your Grades Miniseries, where we talk about tech tips that will actually save your grades. So, when grading book responses, we've had a lot of issues accessing the images, so we're going to show you how to actually make sure when you insert those images that you can see them. So first, I'm going to go to Adobe Spark, and here I have my ILA book response. So, there are multiple ways I can do this. I can download it and upload it directly into the Google Doc. I can download it, upload it into Google Drive, or I can share it as a link. So I'm going to show you all three methods. So first, I think most people have made an Adobe Spark post if they use that. Otherwise, if they used a different photo editor, there's going to be a save button or a publish button somewhere on your photo editor. So what you'll want to do is, if you're sharing the link, you want to hit publish. Now, it'll take a few moments to create a link. Clearly, it's taking longer than normal. Okay, so now it's giving me a couple options. Facebook, we're not using Facebook. Twitter, we're not using Facebook. We don't use Google Classroom, and we don't have access to our school emails, so link's going to be the only thing we want to use. It'll provide you with a link. If you copy that, then paste it into your document. There we go. Inserted. I know that many other photo editors don't allow that, see as there's not an option for link. Just because they don't want to host your image on their site and take up precious storage space just because you're not a paying customer. You're using a free service and they're generating ad revenue off of you. So there we go. There's the link. It should be accessible from anyone. If I were to log out of my Adobe Spark, if I were to log out and then go to that link, I should be able to see my document. There we go. So that was the first method. The second method is to upload it into your Google Drive. So in that case, what you'll want to do is download it. Now again, it might be a save button, like save to computer. Save to computer is the same thing as download. And if it gives you the option, save as a PNG, because that just gives you the best graphical quality. I'm going to start a download on Adobe Spark. And I'm also going to save this example image on BeFunky. There we go. So now what I would do is, when I'm in my Google Drive, I can hit New and File Upload. Now I got my responses there. I'm going to upload my book response and the example image. Now, it will take a moment or two to upload. It depends on your internet speed because it's gone directly from a remote server where the website is hosted through the internet service provider and the internet all the way down to your computer. Now it needs to go out again all the way to Google's servers where it'll be stored on Google Drive. Okay, now that those are uploaded, I need to locate where they are. Here I've got my ILA book response, and there's the example. I'm just going to use my ILA book response, the actual one, because that'll make more sense. So now, I'm not going to upload it into here. Instead, I can't just copy this link. That won't work. Instead, I have to go to the top right corner with the 3 dots, hit share, and then get shareable link. You can then copy the link and paste it into there, and that should work. Now the other way, the final way, is you inserting it directly into your document. I find this to be the most reliable because it's hosted within the document. If some link setting changes or anything, you don't have to go in and edit your link again. So, again, you're going to have to download it or save it. Whichever photo editor you use, it'll change. Real quick, I do want to talk about these two options. I'm not quite sure why you can save it to be funky. That may be an image hosting, but it requires you to sign in using your account. And Google Drive, again, you can save it directly to Google Drive, but you need to connect your Google account. So it's really up to you. I'm not going to cover that method. I'm just saying it's there. So once you've got it downloaded and stuff, instead of uploading it in here, you're going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Now you find the image and you just open it. Personally, I find this to be the easiest method, but again, your decision. It also really depends on what your teacher has requested. So that has been the first episode of the mini-series on how to save your grades. Just follow my instructions. If you ever have an issue, you can always put a comment on the video, and I'm sure we'll respond to it. If you don't, ask either me or Herschel about it in school. But that has been the first episode, and thank you for watching.